Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share a brand new update that will pay you only by posting videos and getting viewers on it. The name of the update is Rumble. This platform has been working for over several years now, but you guys don't know about it. This one is not like YouTube, like you need watch hour, you need followers. No, as far as you get viewers, you will be making a lot of money with it. If you click the registration link, I'll be leaving in the section. You can ask you to register with your Gmail. To register with your Gmail address, you earn a commission. So if you want to check your account, this account, that's one. Don't register. If you come on this account, so as you can see here is your videos. If you want premium plan, you can come here. You see the annual premium plan they have. So if you want to boost your earnings, but if you don't want to boost your earning, it's okay, guys. So if you come on this earning, you will see this where you see the earning you have got. Any viewer you have gotten, you will see the earnings here. Any upload video, you will see it here. Any approved video, you will see it here. Any percentage, you will see it here. So that's how it works. So now I'm going to show you how to upload a video on it. If you come on this create, you see upload video, go live, anyone you choose. But if you want to go live, just click on this go live. So once you click on the go live, if you want to go live, you need to download this Rumble Studio. This one is the Rumble Studio. So if you come here, you will see they have been doing well. You see the 5-star is the one that is bigger. As you can see here, Rumble Studio is a great option to replace services that are feeling like StreamYard. So you need to download this one before you can go live with it. So if you want to upload a video, come on this upload, allow. Once you allow all the necessary information, so you see here you have to permission to so and dash. So as you can see here, these are the videos that I have. You'll be seeing them here. So you can choose anyone like this. For example, click on next, add your title, add your description, select channel handle, select primary categories, select secondary categories, anyone you choose. This one is thumbnail. Any picture you want here, just choose any one of your choice. It will show at the beginning of the video. If you choose this one, is the one that will show at the beginning of the video. If you choose this one, is the one that will be showing in the beginning of the video. So you now click on next. Once you click on next, you have not signed an exclusive agreement, so you have to accept all of the agreement. Send mobile push notification to followers. So you now click on, make sure this visible is in public. So you now, if you come here, you see Rumble only, not exclusive, similar to YouTube. So anyone you choose, personal use, anyone you choose. So you click on publish.